The first thing you need before all the bells and whistles, some of you use WebDocs, some of you don't, is what we really focused on with WebDocs 7 is speed and stability. Yeah, we added some new features that were great, but first and foremost with any doc management system, you need speed and stability. So that's really what we focused on with WebDocs 7. I'll give you some examples here. So in the past, in our testing, we did a lot of testing in the past, but it was with smaller kind of data or environments. With WebDocs 7, we've upped that testing to, here's an example of an environment we tested on. Somebody with 250 users, 500 projects, tens of thousands of documents, files, and workflows. You folks probably don't have, near this type of system, but this is what we test on to make sure that that WebDocs can handle that processing of those documents and login time, speed, handle all that with this type of environment. The other thing we did that I didn't mention here is we went from a 32-bit application to a 64-bit application at the data center. I'm not an IT guy. I don't exactly know what all of that means, but I do know it means increased speed and stability. So just to give you a few numbers on speed for those of you that use WebDocs, for those of you that don't, these won't mean much to you till I show you, but you'll have a fresh start of WebDocs 7 with the latest and greatest. So opening the web viewer to view documents is 36% faster. When you log in, 85% faster. So some of the organizations that use WebDocs had a lot of users. When you get to those high numbers of users in FOBAN, it can decrease login time. And with that 64-bit application now, we're 85% faster. So, we're talking very small numbers. We're talking 2 seconds to 2 seconds. But at the same time, it's a nice increase. 87% faster when you load your assignments. So when you get stuff passed to you through workflow and you go look at your assignments page, that page now pulls up 87% faster. When you do searching for documents, if you have a search result that brings back thousands and thousands of documents, that could take some time to load. Well, it's 92% faster now to do that. So again, a lot of these numbers until you see it may not mean a whole lot to you, but it is a much, much faster version of WebDocs. So just to give you an idea, I know some of these may be hard to see for those of you in the back, but we're positive percentage increase on everything as far as speed inside of WebDocs. So we go from anywhere between 92% faster for that login page to the web viewer loading at 16% faster. So if you can read that, you can see all the percentages of how our processes in WebDocs have all increased.